Greetings! It's Maxo Diddly. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can download view-only PDF files from Google Drive without using console commands. Let's get right into it. So, you've been given access to a PDF. You can't make a copy, you can't download it, you can't print it, and you can't email it. Let's get into how we can download some of the pages so you have a local copy. The first step is you want to open up the PDF file. Once you've opened up the PDF file, I want you to click on the More Actions button up here, and then click on Open in New Tab. Once you do this, I want you to open up the Google Chrome Developer Tools. There are two ways to do this. The first step is to just press F12 on your keyboard. However, if that doesn't work, you can also click on the More Actions button up here, then go to More Tools, then go to Developer Tools. And now you're going to want to go to the Network tab. If you see the Network tab up here, just click on it. If you don't see the Network tab, what you can do is, you can click on the More Tabs button that will be located around here. It's two arrows pointing right, and if you put your mouse over it, it will say More Tabs as the tooltip. Click on it, and then click on Network. I also strongly recommend, if your developer tools are quite narrow on your screen, to drag it out like this, so you can see more of it. The next step is, I want you to refresh the web page. So you can either press F5 on your keyboard, or you can click on the refresh button up here. And when you do this, you're going to see loads of activity in the table. And what I recommend you do, firstly, I want you to type IMG in the filter up here. And this is going to filter out most of the network activity. And you're going to see some entries. And what I want you to firstly do is just click on one of them. And you're going to see a little preview of a page in your PDF file. If you click through them, some of them are going to show images, some of them will be blank. Some of them are going to be small, while some are going to be big. But when you click through them, you'll be able to see what they are, which will give you an idea on what you're going to be downloading. As you scroll through your PDF, more are going to appear. If you're not seeing a preview, make sure you click on the Preview tab up here. If you don't see the Preview tab, click on the More Tabs button, and then click on Preview. I also recommend you drag this section out a bit so you can see it more. And what you want to do, each page of your PDF is going to have two files that you're interested in. One is going to be a big, clear preview of that page. And another one is going to be a smaller version of that page. And you're going to need to basically click through these to find a bigger page, like this. And once you find a page that you're happy with that's big, I want you to right click on the preview and click on Open Image in New Tab. Once you do this, you're going to have the one single image that's essentially a screenshot of that page in the PDF, and I want you to right click on it and click on Save Image As. And once you do that, you're going to be able to save the image as whatever file type you want. I strongly recommend changing the save as type to be all files, and to then change the end of the file to be .png, but you can do whatever file format you want. So I'm going to click save, and I'll open up the PNG file, and as you can see, we have now made a copy of a page of the view-only PDF. So, we're not technically downloading the entire PDF, we are just downloading a page from the view-only PDF file. If you're able to use console commands in your Google Chrome, I strongly recommend you check out the video that you see on screen. It's a video on how you can download the entire PDF file using one console command, so you don't have to do all of this filtering through network activity and downloading each page as an image. But that's it for this tutorial. Be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.